Level 4 pelvic floor exercises on your hands and knees. Progressing on from level 3, which is the tabletop position, you're going to contract your pelvic floor this time. Keep it contracted. Keep your chin tucked in. Knees under hips, hands under shoulders. While your pelvic floor is engaged, aim to lift one leg up and then back down again. Now if you can imagine you've got a saucer of water in your lower back, you're going to do the same on the other side. Breathe in to prepare. As you exhale, engage the pelvic floor and lengthen a leg away. We're doing 10 in total, alternating sides. Exhale, pelvic floor, leg up. Inhale, exhale, move your leg, engage your pelvic floor please. Breathe in. As you breathe out, engage your pelvic floor, raise a leg and bring it down. If you feel you can't contract your pelvic floor while raising a leg, just stay at level 3 on the tabletop position, contracting your core in that position. Otherwise, keep going. Breathe in to prepare. As you exhale, pelvic floor, leg up. Breathe in, exhale, other leg. Remember the pelvic floor is an elevator, doors close, comes up 2 floors. Nearly there. This is a great exercise for lower back. If you suffer from lower back pain, this is a great exercise to start with. Pelvic floor, the magic muscle. Don't rush it. Focus on the process of each rep, not just the outcome. Well done, good job. Pelvic floor, level 4.